In this video, we'll show you how to set a custom song as your ringtone on an Android phone. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. In this menu, tap on Ringtone. If you're having trouble locating the ringtone option, you can use the search bar at the top right to search for ringtone. Once you find it, tap to open it. You'll see a list of default ringtones that come with your phone. But in this case, we want to use a song. To do that, make sure the song you want is already on your phone. If you don't have a song yet, a great resource is Pixabay, which offers royalty-free music. You can browse their selection, listen to a preview by clicking the play button, and download the track by hitting the download button on the right. Once you have the song downloaded on your device, return to the ringtone settings. At the top right, tap the Change Ringtone. This will let you select your song from the list of available music files on your phone. Choose the track you want, and you'll be able to preview it. After hearing the song, if you're happy with it, tap Done. That's it. Now, when you receive a call, your chosen song will play as the ringtone. And that's how you can set a custom song as your ringtone on Android. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.